Hey, welcome to another video from DD Aerial Photography. We're down here at Long Prairie. We're going to check out the new Merritt Field. We're also going to check out LaGrange. And we're going to check out the Village of Lakeview and see what's being built there. But check out the Mustang Rec Center. Is that not a barn? I really think they had to put a hayloft up front there. How many people remember back in the day going over to a friend's house, or you might have had a barn, and going up in the hayloft? Let's go up and check it out. All right, I like starting off at Eastport. I really do like the square, even though I like Sumter Landing is my favorite square. But I really like the way Eastport has really turned out. I like going around the lake here on the walking path. The Village of Lakeview, down there at 470 and Marsh Bend Trail. Here we are. You can see the verandas that are being built here. You can see the walls are up. You can see some of the foundations have been poured. You can see we are flying over the Bel Air Executive Golf Course. You can see all the villas up there underneath the inn for north. That's the way we're looking. This is the Village of Lakeview. You can see the Postal and Rec Center down there with the pool with water in it. We're going to check out all of the Village of Lakeview. Don't blink because it's awfully small. You can see a lot down there has the vapor barrier down just before they put the cement down. You can see the lots down here that have been created for the survey crew to come out there. You can see they have walls already out there for the houses that have foundations. Look at the house under the W there in the corner. It already has a roof on it. Now, if you're the first one to live in this village, man, it's a double-edged sword. Yes, you're the first one in, but you got to drive through all that construction all day long. When you want to leave, when you want to come in, there's a lot of construction workers in through there. So it's a double-edged sword. Please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help my YouTube channel with the algorithm. But look at all the villas they have built down through there. All the ones in the roof. Look at the ones with sod. Look at the one with the pool. Check it out. There's another one in the corner with a pool. There's one over there in the corner with a pool. So if you're looking for a villa with a pool, there's 3 of them right here in the Village of Lakeview. They'll probably go for a pretty penny and plus be on the lottery. The Village of LaGrange. Over Oak Hollow Rec Center. We're going to fly over Oak Hollow on the right hand side here, going down Munn's Path. This is Oak Hollow, the village here. From the first shovel of dirt to the final lock on the door, your home story matters. With our photo home build package, you'll get high quality photos Monday through Friday, delivered straight to your inbox the same day. Plus a cinematic 4K drone video that captures your home's progress and the neighborhood coming to life. All this for just $350, not due until the build is complete. Watch your dream home rise, one photo at a time. All right, and we're back. This is the Village of Oak Hollow, going down Munn's Path here, going towards Central Lake. Look at all the houses that are down there. Man, I could tell you what, about a month ago, all this was sand. Just like over there at the Village of Lakeview. Alright, we're going to do a U-turn, go up north here on this side of the golf course. And look at all the houses. Look at the houses with sod. Got some verandas being built down through there. Got the rec center that's open. So if you like hot air balloons, go check out the Blanchard Rec Center. Alright, this is the south verandas of Oak Hollow. Look at all the pools down there that have water in them. And I'm estimating these are all going to go in the 800,000s, if not more, for the verandas. Man, they all have pools. They're basically a designer home on Central Lake with a pool. Out there in the back, on top of the screen is Club Med, or Club Fed. Alright, now we're going to fly down LaGrange Loop over Central Lake and check out $1 Million Row. I guess that's what you want to call it. Most people are calling it the $1 Million Row. Check out all the houses, the ones that have pools, the ones that don't have pools, the ones that have spas. Look at all those concrete walls. Now look at this. This was just this week. All these were just poured. All these foundations were just poured. Okay, we turned the corner there on LaGrange Loop. And we're going to fly down Sack Rider Path. I'm sorry, but I think that is hilarious. I can't wait for people to come to my house and tell them, you got to go down Sack Rider Path. Turn right. Alright, we're going to turn left here. Check out all the walls that are here. So if you have a foundation down on your lot, I'd probably say some of those walls are going to be there Monday morning. You're going to put walls up on the foundations, and you'll have a roof on your house by the end of the week. Did I say that? Wow. That will be true. You'll have a roof over your house by the end of the week if you have a foundation today. Alright, the future guest accommodations. Still think these are, I don't know, because the map I have does not show that this is a future guest accommodations, but I think this will be like up there at Lake Sumter Landing, and they're gonna let the guests come down here, and I'm talking guests like VIPs like Fox News, CNN, Gary Sinise. Those are the people that are going to stay here in these houses down here. You can see they have buried all the drain tile from around the fence line and the wall line, and that's where the fence is going, and they have buried the drain tile all down through there. Again, we are at Sack Rider Path. You got to turn right on Sack Rider Path. And this is a Loudon Court. I don't know how you say it, but there is a foundation down there, and I guess that those walls down there might be for you. Foundation slab there will have a roof on it by the end of the week. Just like this house here will have a roof on it at the beginning of the week. The ones that have the walls up. The Village of Prairie. Alright, this is the Mustang Sally Rec Center. Check it out. It looks like a barn. But I do think at this end of the barn, that looks more like a hayloft, looking out over the pool. Now, who remembers going up in the hayloft and jumping down in the hay, or fooling around in the hayloft with your girlfriend? And that was back in the day. I wonder if kids still do that. Comment below, because I remember going to high school and going to the parties at night, and playing in the hayloft. Here's a very close-up look of the Mustang Ranch. The Mustang Rec Center. I got LaGrange on my mind. What can I say?
Mustang Sally.
And I hope they deck out the Mustang Rec Center like they did the Brownwood movie theater, because they did a superb job on the movie theater, and I hope they use some of that decorations for the Mustang Ranch. The Mustang Rec Center.
Mustang Sally.
Alright, this is the Long Prairie Postal and Rec Center. Our Rec Center and Postal Center. You can see they are moving swiftly on it, building it very well. And this is Long Prairie here. We're looking west, up towards Bexley Trail. You got Shady Brook and Water's Edge up there at the top of the screen. So if you've gotten a lot down through here, check it out. I know I have a lot of customers that bought lots or bidded on lots that have not seen what their lot looks like except by a map. We're flying to the north, and we're going to come up to the Pullman Rec Center. There it is, the Pullman Rec Center. Well, someday they'll be there. And I can't wait for the Pullman Rec Center to be built, because I like trains. I do like going to the train show that they have at the Rec Center every year. They're doing a good job on the golf course. It's looking really good. We're going to come up here to the walking path, and we're going to do a 180 and turn around behind us, and we're going to check out the village of Merritt Field. I need a song for Merritt Field, so comment below. What song should I use for Merritt Field? Now, when I showed you this last week, hopefully the people that were wanting these lots checked out my video. You can see the fire station up on the north side of the screen there. If you live on Bob Run, you can't think of a shorter name to name a street. But this is the village of Merritt Field, where the lots just came available to buy, and the ones on the golf course and the water, most of them were bought right up. And you can see the golf course. The golf course reminds me of the golf courses in Arizona and New Mexico, where they don't have grass in the fairways. But this is Bob Run, where the lots were available this week. So if you bought a lot and you were up north, here it is. Here's a good time to check out your lot. I do home build videos and photos. So if you want to get a hold of me, it's DD Aerial Photography TV, as in True Value, at gmail.com. It's $350, and I do it from the day they break ground until they put the appliances in and lock the doors. Well, we're going around Bob Run here. And you see a little walking path here. I don't know if it's a walking path or a golf cart path yet. But we're going to come back and check it out. We're just going to fly down Bob's Run here. and come back and check out that walking path, or that path. Okay, here we are. Here's that path. I don't know if that's a walking path or a golf cart path, but it looks like a shortcut to the Postal and Rec Center for Merritt Field. So you can see that there's no Postal Rec Center for Merritt Field, so you know it's going to be quite a while before they start building in here. And hopefully y'all see the power lines and the poles there, so you know that they're there, and you can't say that you didn't like it when you bought it. We're just going to turn real slow here, check out the Merritt Field like I did last time, but we're only going to do 90 degrees. See the golf course, man, that reminds me of Nevada or New Mexico golf courses. Who's with me? Who goes out there and plays golf? Does that not look like a golf course from out west? Could you see villagers playing on a golf course like that? Not. Maybe a few of y'all. But check it out. Look at all those lots out there in Merritt Field, Long Prairie, all the way over there to Shady Brook and Water's Edge. If you're liking this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And here's another video that YouTube thinks that you will enjoy of mine.